Spa has been curated so beautifully, and to be in an open space and always have that, it's a wonder for our children. And I think we should have spaces like this opened up for children all the time.
Today was a really different experience. I think day to day, obviously we don't get to do this. There's a space created here at Makkala Habba that is almost unheard of, unseen anywhere that I've seen. And it's a unique experience for the kids especially, and I want every kid to have this. And having all of these people here at the Baitak as well, I think helped us pause, unwind, and just sort of calibrate ourselves to why we're doing what we're doing every day. A lot of these people here, they all work for children, and sort of centering ourselves as to what we are really doing work every day for, I think is really, really great.
This goes to show the amount of possibilities that you can actually have within and outside a classroom in public spaces that a city can actually produce for you. It's been a very long time since I've thought about any of these things. I've not thought about art, I've not thought about play, about being still, about reflecting in a while. So I think this is a lovely space to sort of enable that, specifically inside Freedom Park. So I think that's just been a wonderful 2 hours spent with all the different sessions and curated conversations. From a Baitak perspective, I think the sessions were very well curated. The questions that you asked us were very sharp, just allowed us to think deeply and allowed us to sort of frame conversations and sort of take a lot of thoughts for us in terms of how we can look to build into the future and what we think are priorities for us. So thank you for facilitating that.